Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSE. There was a 6.4 earthquake offshore Northern California. This occurred 4 hours and 3 minutes ago. It was followed by 3 pages of earthquakes. So you can see these are the aftershocks here. All of them were pretty much in the 2 to 3 range. There was a few 4s. The 4s are mostly after that essential 6.4. There was a 4.5. I'm going to show you the region where these earthquakes are occurring. And this is down here near the Mendocino Fault. But these actually hit on the Rust Fault, which can cause a 6.5 earthquake, which looks as though it did. This was a 6.4. I want to look at EMSE for the back page to see what the highest earthquake would have been. Hang on one second. So we're going to go to data here. See if I can find it. Okay. Data here shows 6.4, 6.4, 6.4. So it's been around the 6.4, so it's a 6.4. All right. And then that one was 4.5 and 4.7. Okay, so this earthquake had a preliminary magnitude of 6.4. It was located off of California. As you can tell, it was about 100 kilometers, or 100 miles into the ocean. It struck at 2:34 a.m., which is the Pacific Standard Time. It was 7.5 miles west of Ferndale at a depth of 16 miles. The city is about 19 miles south of Eureka, near California-Oregon state line. And as of Tuesday morning, there was no tsunami warning threat associated with the quake. Widespread damages to roads and homes. There has been report of damage to homes and roads throughout the county, which has a population of 136,000 people. As of just after 6 a.m., they reported tens of thousands of customers without power in the area. In Humboldt County alone, where Ferndale is located, more than 71,000 people are in the dark. Residents also shared photos of damage sustained to homes, so I'll have to look for those. Some of them are on Twitter, so you can look those up on Twitter. The north-south shaking was very evident, and people showed that in their pictures. Hang on a second. So I'm trying to go over here to Twitter. This is USGS on Twitter. If I can get it to pull up. Oh, there we go. This is USGS. Did you feel the magnitude 6.4 quake at 7.5 miles southwest of Ferndale at 2:34 a.m.? These are people talking about the shake alert. Here's a picture of the north-south shaking. That was their coffee station. They said, sorry for dark video, power is still out. That's crazy. Okay. Alright. Anywho, this is the area. These are all the aftershocks that occurred from that quake. There's probably going to be a lot more aftershocks. I wouldn't be surprised if there is another bigger quake or big quake. Guys, please be prepared. Don't be scared. Have a plan. Have yourself prepared as to what you'll do if there is another quake. I'm just looking, and this is upsetting different faults along this area. And like I've been saying lately, the little faults you need to watch as well, not just the bigger ones. Anyways, you guys, much love and be safe.